Electric pressure washers are great because they clean well. It can clean muddy cars, patio furniture, decks, and home siding fast and safely. A pressure washer can clean up in minutes what would take hours with a scrub brush and garden hose. The best electric pressure washer models can do many of the same chores as professional gasoline-powered washers and are cheaper, lighter, quieter, and easier to store and maintain. In this video, we will review the best electric pressure washer. Our team tested some of the most popular models based on cleaning power, portability, and versatility. You can check the links in the description below to find the best prices for the products mentioned. At number 5, we have selected the Ryobi 40-volt 1500 PSI electric pressure washer. This is one of the best cordless pressure washers you can buy. There are times when you have to clean without an easy-to-reach water or electricity source nearby. There's no need for a scrub brush when you have the Ryobi 40-volt portable pressure washer. It can pull water from a bucket and has batteries that can be charged. This is a great choice for small to medium-sized tasks because it can run for up to 45 minutes on a single charge. When you press the boost button, it goes up to 1500 psi at 1.2 GPH. In normal mode, it makes 1000 psi at 1.2 GPH. The motor and soap tank are small and cube-shaped with a telescopic handle and wheels on the back that make it easy to store and move around on hard surfaces. The Ryobi 40-volt portable pressure washer comes with a turbo nozzle that spins the pressurized stream to make it more effective at cleaning. It also has a soap nozzle and a 15-degree nozzle. The kit comes with two 40-volt 6-amp-hour batteries and a fast charger that can charge it within 2 hours. When we tested this electric pressure washer, we liked how flexible it was more than how well it cleaned. You might find it useful if you want to clean from a distance. It's small and can use water from a spigot or a non-pressurized source, which makes it a good choice for reavers, boaters, and other people who may need to clean up in places without power or running water. That being said, its best cleaning power, in boost mode with the turbo nozzle attached, was the worst of all the types we looked at. It was good at getting rid of dirt and grime from smooth surfaces, but not so good at cleaning pavement. Fourth on the list is the Wen PW1900 electric pressure washer. It is one of the best portable devices on the market, with up to 2000 psi and 1.6 GPM of water flow. This one pressure washer has enough power to clean a deck or lawn tools. It is just under 14 inches tall and wide, and it weighs 20 pounds, which is about the same as a small cooler full of ice. This makes it easy to move. The Wen washer has a 36-foot power cord and a 16.5-foot hose, so it can clean things that aren't right next to a water or power source. This machine comes with a soap tank that can be taken off and a nozzle that can be adjusted to change the spray's angle and pressure. The Wen looks less like a pressure washer and more like a portable tire pump at first glance. It's not very heavy, and there are no wheels or places to put the power cord or pressure hose when not in use. But it works great with enough water power and flow to clean patio furniture, wash a car, or get rid of a stain on the driveway. The small size and light weight of this pressure washer make it easy to carry around in the car, but it's not very easy to move around while cleaning. Small jobs work best with it, which is a surprise. Third on the list is the SunJoe SPX3000 electric pressure washer. This is the best value for money you can get. If you're looking for an electric pressure washer that doesn't break the bank, look no further than SunJoe's 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM. If you are ready to put this together yourself, you will get a unit with average cleaning power and better than average hardware. I had to put together this unit since it was necessary to get it working, but it only took less than 5 minutes and only involved connecting 4 parts with 4 screws. The base and handle were made of plastic and felt a little cheap, but when it was all put together, it was pretty sturdy. We had no other problems with the pressure hose, spray gun, or fittings. They were all well made, and the quick connect spray nozzles worked just fine compared to the more expensive ones. The SunJoe electric pressure washer did a good job on all of our projects. It felt like the pressure and flow rate were just average. During the annual deep cleaning of a riding mower, some of the hard-to-remove, firmly entrenched dirt and grass clippings around the discharge chute remained. Second on our list is the Dewalt 2400 PSI 1.1 GPM electric pressure washer. If you want to make cleaning the deck or the car easier, you can use a tough mobile power washer. There are all the tools and power that you need to clean up quickly and easily with the Dewalt 2400 PSI electric pressure washer at a flow rate of 1.1 GPM. Dewalt's 13-amp axial pump motor makes 2400 PSI of water pressure. The built-in soap tank along with 5 quick connect spray nozzles make sure that no job is too difficult to clean with this machine. This Dewalt pressure washer was easy to move around the yard thanks to its tall frame and air-filled rubber tires. Its hose fittings and other hardware parts all felt strong and well put together. It was easy to get to water, electrical sources, and our cleaning projects with the 25-foot pressure hose and 35-foot power cord. It had a flow rate of 1.1 GPM, which was lower than most of the tools we tried. It worked well for most projects, but it didn't clean as quickly as our top pick. As the number 1 pressure washer on our list, we recommend the Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI electric pressure washer. There is no doubt that this is the best overall. You might want to look at the Greenworks 2300 PSI electric pressure washer if you need more cleaning power for bigger jobs like siding, fences, and roads. You can get more done with the higher pressure and flow rates of 2300 PSI and 2.3 GPM. It's easier to get to projects that aren't on paved areas with a big frame and big 10-inch wheels. This kit comes with a turbo nozzle and 4 spray tips, a soap nozzle, a 15, 25, and 40-degree nozzle. Additionally, it has an integrated pump system for releasing cleaning solutions. Our hands felt good when we used the spray wand's grip and trigger. While cleaning all sides and under the hood of a lawnmower, the 25-foot flexible hose was easy to move around. This washer can reach a lot thanks to its 35-foot power cord. There's only one downside to this pressure washer, which is that for people who do not have a lot of store space, it might take up too much space, so it might not be ideal for them.